On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings. I think I'd probably actually get pretty excited about 5 golden rings, but I don't have any for you today. Sorry about that. But what I do have is a fantastic discount on a great Flutter fan choreography that utilizes 5 fingers to flutter your fan. Yeah, this is a fantastic choreography that I created a couple of years ago with a dear friend of mine, and I have taught it in workshops around the US, and I really enjoy it. I am actually getting ready to completely redo and refilm the choreography with my new studio setup and my lighting and my fantastic new camera and audio. So I'm taking down the previous version. Here's the deal. I'm having a going away sale. I'm going to give you this choreography. It was originally $60. I'm going to do it for $39 for today for the fifth day of Christmas. And then when the brand new edited version that is like nicer and cooler and more fancy comes out, you'll already have it. You'll get instant access to the upgraded version of the same choreography when I re-record it in the year to come. So what we're doing today is a Flutter fan choreography. You can go online to my Teachable and check out a preview, see if it's something that you'd like to learn. I'm a huge fan of it. I think it is quite fun. And you'll get the entire choreography, break down some basic Flutter fan technique, of course, the breakdown of the combinations, the entire choreography will be yours to keep. It is unlimited access for life once you purchase it. It's not a subscription, it is yours to keep. And like I said, when I re-record it, you'll get all the new content in there as well. Normally $60, I'm giving it to you for $39 today for the sixth day of Christmas. So go check that out, and I hope that you enjoy. As a reminder, these deals are for my mailing list members only. So if you do not have the link to access today's deal, you can join me at sahirabellydances.com/12 days. That's the number 12 DAYS, and you'll get the link for today's special discount and all the discounts to come. So join me there at sahirabellydances.com/12 days, and I look forward to dancing with you soon.